The question is define uniformly accelerated motion and uniform motion and also write any two equations of uniformly accelerated motion. So in first part of the question, we are going to define the uniformly accelerated motion. So what is the definition of uniformly accelerated motion? Motion where an object's acceleration remains constant. So in uniformly accelerated motion, the acceleration remains constant throughout its journey. And what is the characteristics? The velocity changes uniformly over time. The intervals of velocity and the intervals of time remains constant. Hence, the acceleration is uniform. So acceleration is constant. What is the definition of uniform motion? Where an object's velocity remains constant. In uniformly accelerated motion, acceleration remains constant, and in uniform motion, object's velocity remains constant. There is no change in the speed or direction of the object's motion. So what is the characteristics? The objects cover equal distance in equal intervals of time. Here the intervals of velocity and times are equal, but in the uniform motion, the intervals of distance and the intervals of time kept equal. So its acceleration is zero because velocity remains constant. As the velocity is constant, there is no any type of acceleration. Next, in the next part of the question, we have to write any two equations. We know that there are three equations of uniformly accelerated motion and we have to write any two equations. So we are writing velocity time relation, that is v is equals to u plus at. V is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, t is time. And next is position time relation, that is s is equals to ut plus half at square, where s is the total distance covered.